Good morning, fellas. This will be my last day here in Kansas. Actually, last day before I head out tomorrow. I'm gonna miss mommy. Mommy's gonna stay back. But another beautiful, glorious day. Oh. Look, Lord Raffrey, okay. Oh. Okay. Good morning, Uncle Lord.
Morning!
Kasi pera yan.
Sige lang.
Really?
Doing IHOP and all.
Oh, mess.
What? IHOP.
I don't touch on Arpive. With a boy malanga.
Pansit.
Guys, you guys cannot beat the weather here in Kansas. Look. Clear sky. It's winter time. Fall. Vi kan veta fall ke winter really. Winter. There's snow on the site from the residuals from the last couple of days. Tirakkar, and then there's snow on the side. How often you used to see it? Beautiful day.
Winter with the
Snow.
Yep. Summer with the sun. 3 seasons in one. Summer with the sun. Trees with the fall. Winter with the snow. The famous IHOP here in Kansas City. Oh, kisogri rapi lor pura pachiti again.
Hey!
Kisogri keluar.
Pansi po ba yan ulit Februar? Ito ko mo to. Pansi ni Steven.
Oh.
Okay, oh.
Alright. That was Steven. Weapon seat. Sudah cepat. Kau rokok kan? Bisa beri Lor pura kurkar wikip. Look at this day. Very beautiful. See? Look at the sun.
Okay. Seme, kita akan masuk kota. Fresh. Ini dah hero. Cuma apple was apple wait. Saya apple bang. Wait. Baby.
Oh, dari you kan? Veteran. Precious. Precious. Oh, sudah syukur mah apa tiga lagi? Our ambassador Seri Kuam. Matang, para na kulay ito mo putera. Baca keluar. Apa tuh? Iya.
Ngay besok mo ngayon 99 cents.
Iya.
Colorado.
Kapan mau orang live weekend? Ya. Siapa orang live week? Ambassador, meter aku bubur. Mira, meter aku bubur.
Colorado. Ya dulu monster ini aja.
Apa kan niya yung sasili? Tapos sumarang na.
Iya.
Iya. Iya. Crispy french fries.
Siapa yang orang? Yes, the whole body and banger.
Hi guys, how are we doing today?
Good, thank you.
Good. I'm Sherry. I'll be your server. How are you? Are you doing good? Oh, I'm scared.
Meniran.
Can I start you off with some
People
juice?
stay for a moment.
Oh, she got it already.
Oh, she took her drinks?
No, ma'am. I think she was about to, but then she had to walk away. So it's better probably if you take it now.
Okay, let me go ahead and start.
She
Yeah.
walked away.
Yeah, she walked away.
So what are we doing?
I'll have coffee, please.
Okay, do you need creamer? I have regular French vanilla hazelnut.
Creamer, please. The regular,
Regular?
half and half.
How about you? Pepsi?
What the hell?
How about you,
Sir.
sir?
Say Ronnie.
Coffee.
Coffee?
Metapon.
Have what? Coffee? Okay, I didn't hear him. I'm sorry. 2 coffees?
Yeah, 2 coffees over here. Metapon.
Do you have like,
5 coffees and a Pepsi?
I wanted orange juice.
Okay, orange juice. So 3, 4, 5 coffees, Pepsi, and an orange juice. Anything for little one? Oh, she wants water, no coffee?
What is that?
So 4 coffees, orange juice, Pepsi, and a water.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
The sirloin cooked.
Sirloin is
Very well done.
a medium rare.
Medium rare.
It's always good to have medium
There
rare.
you go. And then
Yep.
how about the eggs?
She wants it scrambled.
Scrambled. Perfect. And then
May pumusok ko with yung brand. Pag nangasarang ko ron.
Arpi. Which one?
the salmon. Do you want the green beans and rice, just like the picture? Okay.
I'll get the country fried steak and eggs.
How do you want your eggs?
Over easy.
Perfect.
But can I get French toast instead?
Sub French toast. You got it. Just a classic, right, with powdered sugar and butter.
Yeah.
Colorado.
Colorado omelet.
Yes, please.
And for your side, hash browns,
Pancake.
toast, pancakes. Perfect.
Same for the...
A Colorado
Yeah. Can I get French toast?
French toast on your side. Yes. And what do you drink?
It's right there.
Ian mo one
Oh,
Pepsi.
okay. I thought I had one out here. So I just need to bring a water as far as drinks, and I'll get that food order in. I'll grab all those menus.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Yep, no problem.
Give me that. Arpi.
Thank you.
Thank you. Order medicine क्या?
May ate ko siya.
Sosot.
congratulations. I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
Screamer. Kakasuge. Suge. Yan, yan.
Yeah. Apa? Udah menguruti sebuah.
Hey.
When you want to learn something, to say something.
Order bu.
Borra, sa vai borra di non mo sa kita itan di de. Kita
Alright, another omelet? Steak?
That's
Steak and eggs?
Here.
Thank you.
Ada pancake.
Thank you. Oh, betul ni.
The other platter? That was you, right? So we need
Pero
the
na busor.
platter?
Yeah, that's mine.
Country fried steak. Okay, and then these pancakes go with yours.
Yep, thank you.
You had the French toast with yours. Fried steak right here.
For your.
He gets the short stack here. Right here. Yeah, the short stack here. And then a French toast, right?
Yes. I have a question.
Yes.
You have like this size.
Just, I do. Do you want French fries or do you want eggs and bacon and everything with it, or just?
Yeah.
So I can do, okay, I think little silver fried pancakes.
Yes.
Little fried and scrambled eggs. Perfect.
I don't give a pancake. Where are you?
So nice. Yan niya.
Ira watch Rian. Where are you?
Ngalan pansit pa gumawa.
No, the Shiran Naran RP Nara.
Yan ay supo ko.
Tapos sa menu po. Asi. Tapos sa menu po.
Excuse me. Can we get forks? Extra 1,
Not enough
2,
silverware?
3. Yeah.
I'll get you some.
Thank you. Let's go.
Thank you so much. You made one here, sweeties. Thank you. Is that enough?
Yes.
You sure?
Thank you.
Feels good. We need Tabasco, Cholula, or anything? Tabasco.
You want the rest? You want the rest?
Good. Thank you. Robin.
Fine.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna enjoy our food. See you guys later.
Tam nagdala ko siya.
It's good.
Sige na sa mga. Gusto, kailangan mo sa mga yero na. Right. Ini kan ini cuaca sekarang wah. Aduh mau.
Ito, minanorom na olor. Ah, right.
I don't know. It's so rich.
Yeah, food.
Apoy na sa kanila. You know that? I just found that.
Yeah,
They
real.
always
Yeah,
take percent.
Masih real.
Uy, karan kili uy sukodam jasha. Karan lemme ako tipiri na mish ararawatan ni.
What that? Le pule poi we sono para sauces que
Thank you very much. You guys have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Dahil po siya pati sana pwede lalo ba na ito na yang ipasok ko siya.
Je zo op Satori, IHOP, okay, Mirafe. This is a new store. Mirafe, IHOP, Air Ambassador Serikua, Chaparetto, Chuukese.
Squeeze in and grab those other plates.
Yep.
And then I'll be out of your way. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you. I sure appreciate it. You have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chuukese, we para sa para. IHOP Ikea. Zo de pansie. Dapat hijau mau beri sih. Hai, 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 hai.
Hey, binigyan ko. Bigyan sa koron eh.
Thank you. Kijk eens zo. Jullie Lormer, Arpi, Steven. Kijk eens zo samen. The day, it's very beautiful. I cannot stop talking about this weather here. Profiteu ako pa. Mari, nepit. Thank you, Arpi. Kisah Kevi. Sapar mo super kisah. I'm gonna miss this lovely lady. Today's my last day. How was bed?